So I've noticed that despite DreamHost being a popular WordPress hosting solution, there is a lack of good DreamHost tutorial videos on YouTube. So it's about time I change that. I'll cover everything from setup and registration to website management and optimization. Now y'all might be at different stages of hosting your website with DreamHost, but you can find the part you need through the timestamps. And if you're just starting out and you still don't have a plan, it would be smart to use our DreamHost discount by scanning the QR code or clicking on the link from the description. DreamHost provides several hosting plans to choose from, such as shared hosting, DreamPress, which is managed WordPress hosting, and VPS. For most beginners, shared hosting is more than enough and an excellent choice. After choosing shared hosting, you'll need to make additional choices. There are also shared starter and shared unlimited options. The main difference here is one website limit versus unlimited websites. Considering the small price difference, the unlimited plan offers significantly better value. Another thing to consider is the subscription length. To be honest, I recommend completely ignoring the monthly option. Who really needs hosting for just a month? Besides, it's way more expensive than the 1 year and 3 year subscriptions, and if you decide that DreamHost is not for you, there is a 97-day money-back guarantee anyway. You might have noticed that there is virtually no difference in pricing between a 1-year plan and a 3-year plan. But there are always renewals to keep in mind, as DreamHost provides discounted rates for the initial term, which will increase when it's time to renew. Next, you'll need to register a domain. DreamHost includes a free domain registration with annual plans, making it easy to start. When selecting your domain, it's important to consider a few key points. Domains ending in .com and .net are widely recognized and trusted, but if your target audience is local, a country-specific domain like .co, .uk, or .ca might be a better fit. Always check the renewal price of your chosen domain, as it can vary significantly from the initial purchase price. Once your purchase is complete, log into your DreamHost account to start managing your domain and hosting. If you registered a new domain with DreamHost, it will already be connected to your hosting account. However, if you're using a domain registered with another provider, you'll need to point it to DreamHost's name servers. You can change the name servers by logging into your domain registrar's account and updating the DNS settings. DreamHost servers are based in the US, but if your audience is international, it's a good idea to set up a content delivery network to improve your site's loading times worldwide. Cloudflare is a free option that can be easily integrated with your DreamHost site and will help deliver your content more efficiently across different regions. Now that your domain is connected, it's time to set up your WordPress website. From your DreamHost dashboard, navigate to the website section and click on Add Website. DreamHost WordPress installation is super simple. It's a one-click installer. Select the domain where you want to install WordPress, follow the prompts, and DreamHost will handle the rest. Once WordPress is installed, you'll be ready to start customizing your site, adding content, and building your online presence. Overall, the DreamHost setup is a user-friendly process, so even if you're a beginner, you should get a website up and running without any trouble. But a running website doesn't mean it's finished, so let's head back to the DreamHost dashboard. You'll find your newly created website listed under Manage Websites. This is your control center, where you can handle optimizations, security settings, and various other configurations to improve your site's performance. To optimize the DreamHost performance, there are various features including caching, which stores static versions of your website pages, making them load faster. You can enable caching with just a click right here, improving loading times and user experience. Additionally, some settings let you fine-tune caching behavior for advanced optimizations. In the security section, DreamHost offers a range of tools to protect your site. While basic security features like free SSL certificates, which protect your visitors' data with encryption, come included, there's an option to add DreamShield. It's a paid security service that scans for malware and protects your site from various threats. But to be honest, while DreamShield offers solid protection, some other providers include basic malware scanning at no additional cost in their base packages. If you're on a budget, you can start without it and add it at any time later. Now, while making changes to your website, you might be afraid that you'll break something or something will turn out not as you want it to. For that reason, there's a staging environment add-on. It allows you to create a copy of your website where you can experiment with new designs, plugins, or features without affecting the live version. Now, you might also need DreamHost email management. You can access it through the main dashboard. Here you can set up new email addresses, manage forwarding, and tweak general email settings. There are many more advanced tools like databases, file managers, and advanced DNS settings. But to be fair, these are more suitable for experienced users or developers. For most beginners, there's no need to dive into these areas from the get-go. Instead, let's take a look at DreamHost Pro services available from the dashboard. Those are great for users who may need extra help with specific tasks, but prefer not to search for freelancers or third-party providers. For instance, the website design service is where experts can create a customized, attractive website tailored to your needs. Instead of hiring freelance designers on other platforms, you can try the design assistance right from the dashboard. Meanwhile, the website management service allows you to get help with ongoing maintenance tasks like updates, security patches, and performance monitoring, so you can focus on growing your business rather than managing your site's backend. There are more services that you might need, like search engine optimization or marketing. Moving on from those, I want to give some attention to the unique feature of the DreamHost dashboard, the AI-powered business tool. It generates ideas and recommendations for new projects or business strategies. This feature is designed to inspire and assist users in brainstorming new business ideas based on their interests or goals. After testing this AI tool, here's my honest take. It's an interesting concept, but its value for now is questionable. While the tool can be useful as a starting point for brainstorming, the ideas it generates tend to be fairly generic. For instance, if you enter a broad category like e-commerce, the AI might suggest starting an online store selling fashion clothing or electronics, which doesn't provide much depth. In my opinion, while it's fun to use and could offer light inspiration, it doesn't add significant value to a hosting dashboard. You are likely to find more value from in-depth business research or consultations with experienced professionals. Anyhow, the more useful thing you can find in the dashboard is the knowledge base. I can't cover everything in this DreamHost tutorial, so any further answers you need could be found there. It contains a large library of guides, tutorials, and facts, helping users solve problems on their own without needing to contact support. And if you still haven't found your answer in this video, don't shy away from leaving a question in the comments section. Alternatively, you can also contact DreamHost support through the contact support page. There's 24/7 live chat support, as well as email support and phone support with a callback service. So that covers my tutorial on how to use DreamHost. To be honest, it's a very straightforward WordPress hosting provider with most of its additional tools available as add-ons. Now, if you want to learn more about WordPress or how to build your website, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty of content for you. Thanks for watching and see you soon.